Ford Motor Company stock is up at 138% rate, still a screaming buy. In May 2020, shares of Ford Motor Company reached as far down as possible at $4.90 a share. From that point forward, the stock has soared up at a 138% build yearly rate to $23.17 in January 4th exchange. Without a doubt, as indicated by CNBC, Ford beat down Tesla as the automobile business stock that went up the most in 2021. Should you buy the stock? I see two reasons in favor. Taking off interest for its electronic truck, the F-150, and a low valuation comparative with other EV opponents. And one against Ford incomes are declining. Nevertheless, if Ford can grow faster than its modest expectations, the stock will keep rising. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.